Yes, welcome everyone to another breakdown. We got two going today, so watch closely because I'm going to show you guys something I've been telling you guys for a couple of days now, and it's just merely an anticipation of mine throughout all the breakdowns we had previously. And I show you guys how the analysis of today played out. Today, the 5th of August, I shared two positions on gold, two buy positions. We're currently actually in our last and final position with our stops on break even. I will be sharing that breakdown tomorrow, so the 6th of August, because today I've already got two going for you guys, and I will probably upload both today. So let's dive straight into the analysis of today. As you guys know, we've been ranging for a couple of days slash weeks now, and we got these two levels right here where we have been ranging in between. So we got our level of support here, we got our level of resistance here, and we don't trade support and resistance, but when price is ranging, we merely use it to see what price is doing exactly and between what key levels we can actually start and analyzing and actually place trades. And you guys have seen it throughout the last breakdowns. In between these two levels, we've used our strategy, which we're using to trade, of course, to place positions based on current price action. And right here, we can see that we're trending. We're out of this channel right now, so out of this not ascending channel, outside of this consolidation period, and price pretty much broke out of this resistance level, retested this level, and then started trending. And that's very nice to see, because obviously we want to get out of this channel in order to have a trending market, because in trending markets it's a bit easier to actually analyze and place positions. And as you guys can see, we've done so beautifully today. I'm going to share the analysis with you guys right now. So we know market direction right now, we're bullish because we broke out of this channel. And if we scale down to the 1 hour time frame, that's where we can actually see what is happening in detail. We broke out of this channel, we got a candle closure, a bearish candle closure, but over here we have this level of supply, previous supply, which has now turned into demand because the supply area has not been respected, but price broke out of it. We got a candle closure, price tested supply, which now became demand, and here we have our baseline. Price tapped into our baseline, giving us a nice entry to trade off, and we have placed our stop loss at 160 pips below our area, and we had targeted the 4,000. Let's see, because I shared the trade and I've deleted the analysis in order to make this breakdown for you guys. Our target was 4,204, so almost a 1.3 risk to reward ratio. And as you guys can see, beautiful analysis once again. And right now I'm going to scale down to the 30-minute time frame, like so. And then we can basically see the same scenario, prices lining up nicely, 1 hour with the 30-minute. And let's replay price to see what exactly happened. So now we leave and then we play price to see what happened exactly. So go to the 15-minute time frame for you guys. Right here. Right here we got our entry. And then price beautifully came up. And there have been plenty of members again today inside of our community making thousands of euros, as you guys can see. If it sharpens up, yeah, I have a privacy screen as well. Let me take the webcam to see if I can show you guys like this. Right here we have Niels making 1,000, and if we go up we see 500 here for one member, 315, 300 again, 1,200, close to 500. We got 2,600 and here. I'm not good at this filming stuff, that's why we have a camera guy. 2,600. Here another 1,000. If you guys want to see these results, just make sure you click the link below in the description. Community is free to join and free to watch all the analysis back and all the trades back. You can also find a track record, of course, there of the community. So to summarize it, 4-hour time frame, looking for trend direction. We broke out of the consolidation period. Price is bullish. We retested our level of resistance that now became support, and from that area on we just kept pushing upwards. We had our area of supply being disrespected, now turned into demand, so we have a swap zone going on. Place our baseline, scale down to the 1 hour, see if it lines up with the 4 hour. Is it a strong area? That's when you know when the 4 hour matches up with the 1 hour and the 30 minutes, you have a strong area. And also if there's high volume, you can put on our volume profile indicator. And as you guys can see, this area right here is packed with volume, and here you can really see that bar of volume. It's not exactly on this level because volume started picking up here, but that's why we have multiple criteria to see whether our zone is valid or not, and that's when we see when price matches up nicely with each other. I want to thank you all for watching. If you've learned anything from this breakdown, make sure to drop it down below in the comments. If you have any questions in regard to this breakdown or in regards to this analysis, make sure to also drop it down below in the comments. I want to thank you all for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, because that of course helps the algorithm and it helps the channel grow. So I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next breakdown. Ciao.